At a time of social distancing, eating disorders can feel much closer to home. 18-year-old Ruby Littler had anorexia, and lockdown caused her to relapse.
I guess because it's such an intense environment being so isolated, I had basically an excuse to starve myself with no one watching.
Empty supermarket shelves became a trigger.
All of a sudden, the one thing I did let myself have wasn't there. And I guess a part of me, the anorexic part of me, was like, oh, there you go. That's another reason why you're not allowed to eat food. It became very toxic very quickly.
Since COVID-19 hit Tasmania, the Butterfly Foundation has seen a tripling in calls for help.
People suffering an eating disorder have really struggled with their routines being upset. Gyms closing, supermarkets not having familiar brands, it's all caused extra stress.
There has also been an increase in mental health-related presentations to hospitals. In Tasmania, people with eating disorders deemed non-urgent wait up to 6 weeks for an initial appointment. Others with acute conditions are referred to emergency departments.
Using extreme restriction, in body image concerns, in purging, in exercise, in almost every marker of the severity of an eating disorder, we've seen a majority of people reporting that the pandemic has had a negative impact.
In a statement, the Tasmanian government said $104 million has been invested in mental health generally over the past 6 years. And it's spending almost $500,000 to employ peer support workers for people living with eating disorders. The federal government is also funding a $10 million residential facility for people with eating disorders here in Hobart, but it's unclear when it's going to open. Now out of hospital, Ruby Littler is living with her family and focusing on her recovery.
I guess I stay with my motivators and that I have all these goals for the future and things I want to be and things I want to do. So that really helps me because don't just want to live at home my whole life and be in and out of hospital. That's not too fun.
Jeppe Bjerre Trans, ABC News.